Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ru ban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu be kandai pra.
Hadin belami khubor boba Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang udon jing temu balik penyeso no syakaseng NPP. U Presiden ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri uloong ba uklem yo jing TVA ya kata bat uba Shangpliang ru uklem penpawi syak parti ba ulmi no. Henry uba Ernest uloong ba ke BJP kala thelut kapadon na Bynta uba Shangpliang nadu ke tiket MLA nang ta ke pisah pilan kala yarap yu bat kala penkham tiru hu ya ki kam ki bahe Henry menta ka syong saha karai jong hi shimet.
Till today, we have not received any official communication from Himalayan Shangpliang that he's planning or he decided to leave the party, point number one. But today only we have seen in some section of the press statement given by Ba Singawalang Dhar, the Deputy CM, from the NPP side, that yes, he is confirming that Shangpliang has approached the NPP for the Lok Sabha election ticket. So, from the party, we have done a lot of, good thing for Shangpliang. Point number one, he has applied the ticket and we have given him a ticket from the party. And he has contested also from Ausundam, from the BJP ticket. And we have helped him a lot. Financially, physically, we have utilized whatever help we can extend for him. And you have seen a lot of ministers also went to his constituency to campaign for him. The state machinery also, we went and spent our time. And we are trying our best to make him win from the BJP. But it is the mandate of the people from there. They have not support him and make him a BJP MLA from the Mausunam constituency. And on top of that, just after the election, we have appointed him as a spokesperson of the party. And even regarding with this job restriction policy, so we have nominated him as the chairman of that committee also. So we have given him a lot of responsibility, and now it is on his own decision. You see, we cannot bind from the party to say that you don't leave the party or you stay with the party. But from the party side, we have done a lot of contribution to Himalayan Shangpliang. He can come and meet and discuss with me or with the party leaders. We have both the MLA and we have the in charge of our state, in charge of the Northeast. So if he have any grievances or any discussion, he has to come and sit with us. So like, first news we have received that from his Mandal people, from Mausunram, they have given the statement that we are going to quit from the BJP and join the NPP. It was a big surprise for us. We have seen only in section of press. Then again, yesterday is a big statement given by the leader of the NPP in the state. So, as you know, the NPP, it is the part of the NDA. They are in the alliance. So, we have not discussed yet. I think maybe from the center, they will keep a call to me and ask me about this. Then they may direct me to have a cordial discussion with the NDA partner. Several times he had a discussion with me and he revealed me that he is keen to contest as MP from the party ticket. Then I told him that yes, when the time comes, we'll recommend your name also and maybe some others' name also, because we have not decided till today. And one condition he requests me, verbally request me that as a president of the party, if you can have a dialogue or if you can have a discussion with the biggest party in the coalition, this time let us fill the NDA candidate. So that condition too, I cannot decide. No, the center party will decide. We have to call the meeting of all the NDA partner and decide. That too, myself as a state president, I don't have any authority to decide that. I told him that. So it ended that. So till today also, we have not decided the candidate for the both the parliamentary seat as well as Shillong seat and the Tura seat.